Hello and welcome to our channel. This channel is dedicated to exploring the world of AI content creation and the impact that it will have on your creative industry. I'm your presenter, Sean Blazer, and I've been absolutely fascinated by the trend that AI has taken in the recent years. And as a creative myself, I've always been on the lookout for tools and technologies that can help to enhance my work and push the boundaries of what is possible.
In this video, we will be looking at one of the major AI tools that have taken the world by storm, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It uses advanced deep learning algorithms to understand and generate human-like text based on the input provided to it. For beginners, it can be used in several ways, such as generating text for chatbots, answering questions in a conversational manner, creating content such as articles and essays, translating languages, summarizing text. Now, let's dive into the top features of ChatGPT that most people don't know about. 1. Customization. It can be fine-tuned for specific use cases to deliver more accurate results. 2. Multitasking. It can perform multiple tasks simultaneously, such as translation and summarization. 3. Zero-shot learning. It can learn and generate text on new topics it has never seen before. 4. Speed. It can process large amounts of data and generate responses in real time. Let's take a closer look at each of the top features of ChatGPT. Well, thanks for taking this walk with us through the world of AI. If you like this video, please support it by joining the movement and subscribing for more like this, and tell us how you have been using AI tools in your process in the comments section of this video.